Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we will show you how to create an image cutout sticker effect in Canva. This is a fun and creative way to make images look like stickers with clean-cut edges and a bold outline. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, let's insert an image that does not have a background. We have already removed the background using the image background remover, even without a pro plan. Once the background is removed, all we need to do is add a background to the image. Let's add a background, like a white or paper background. We will pick one that is free. Let's go with this one. Now let's select this background and search for it. There is a layering option here, so let's send it to the back. Once that is done, we just need to click Download to save the image, and then download it as a PNG. After downloading, let's remove this so the space is clear. Then, in the Upload section, we just need to upload the picture we just downloaded. Here it is. Once it has loaded, let's upload it to Canva and adjust the image as needed. Now, all we have to do is click on Apps to find the right tool. Let's type Choppy in the search bar. We will select this app because it helps us create the sticker effect. Once we are in, we just need to choose the freehand tool and start cropping. If we need to reset, let's select the correct option and adjust. Keep adjusting the crop until everything looks right. Once we are happy with it, let's apply the crop. Now we will change the background by going to Elements and picking a background. Let's choose one that works well, so it really looks like a sticker. It may not be perfect, but that is the process. And that is how we create an image cutout sticker effect in Canva. With this simple method, we can turn any photo into a stylish sticker style design.